And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Samba gold level choreography with the count. Slow as slow, slow as slow, slow as slow as slow as slow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and slow, slow as slow as slow as slow as slow, 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 slow as slow. Very good. Now let's look again, this time from another angle. And slow as slow, slow as slow, slow as slow as slow as slow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and slow, slow as slow as slow as slow as slow, 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 slow as slow. Very good. And now let's look at same Samba choreography, this time in slow motion. So we start with Volta spot turn to right for lady, continue with Whisk to right, and then we dance solo circular Voltas turning to left, last 2 steps from Botafogo ending, then Promenade to counter Promenade run. Then we continue with dropped Volta and interesting timing with Carioca runs. We finish in slightly unusual position to continue rolling off the arm, overturned version, and we dance reverse turn, continued by Whisk to left, and solo Volta spot turn. Very good. Let's look again from another direction. We start with Volta spot turn for lady, man dances Whisk, and then we both dance Whisk to right, continued with solo circular Voltas, last 2 steps from Botafogo ending, and dance Promenade to counter Promenade run. Now we dance dropped Volta and Carioca runs, noticed different timing. Then we dance rolling off the arm, continued by basic reverse turn, and Whisk to left, and Volta spot turn for lady. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.